Hello everyone, my name is Anand Malik and today we'll be going over 5 key settings that will change your iPhone experience forever. Let's start with number 1, activate dark mode. To do this you must scroll down and go into display and brightness and press dark. If you have an OLED display then it will save and extend your battery life. Number 2, change video capture quality. To do this you must scroll down until you find camera, then go into record video, change that to 4K at 60 fps, and what this will do is this makes your videos more smooth and crispy. And then what you want to do is you want to go on to record slow-mo, just turn this to 1080p HD at 240 fps. This will just make your slow-mo vids slower. Alright, number 3, customize the control center. To do this you must scroll down until find control center. Basically what this is it's a great way to access your most used tools. So my most used tools are the torch and just screen recording. I don't use the rest, but for you, you might. So for you guys, you might use all this stuff, but I don't really, so I'll just remove them. I'll remove them later. But yeah, that's what customized. So you should just customize your control center and it will just be easier for you. Alright, number 4, disable true tone display. To do this, scroll down and go again to display and brightness, and where it says true tone, just change that off, just turn that off. What true tone is, it automatically adjusts the white balance of your iPhone display. Most people don't like it, so they just disable it, but it's your opinion if you want this on or not. For me, I would like it off. I would like it off for myself. Last but not least, turn on automatic updates. To do this, just scroll down, go into general software updates and just turn it on. What it is basically well, it's in the name. It will automatically update your phone without you have to do anything. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.